The internet is having a crisis. Universities are being exposed, and an AI country singer just made history. Here are 5 stories you need to see. Let's get into it. For the first time ever, an entirely AI-generated country song has reached #1 on an official Billboard chart. The track, Walk My Walk by the artist so-called Breaking Rust, now tops the country digital song sales chart. This artificial artist has 1.8 million monthly Spotify listeners, surpassing human stars like Charlie Crockett and Colby Acuff. Billboard has admitted they know it's AI, but have no policy to remove it or distinguish it from human-made music. This is a groundbreaking development for music. Is AI finding what the music industry has already tried? The recipe for guaranteed hits? When a University of Texas professor opened 400 student essays and found they were nearly identical, he didn't blame AI, he blamed the system. Professor Stephen Mintz studied 400 student essays and found them eerily identical. Same sentences, same structure, same conclusions. Mintz argued that AI didn't break higher education, but that higher education has become an industrial system that AI just proves to be hollow. Mintz calls this a pedagogy crisis. Mintz has abandoned take-home essays entirely, shifting to in-class writing, oral presentations, and student-led discussions. AI researches and arguments better. Let AI handle rote mastery learning, and free humans for inquiry, critical thinking, mentorship, skills like deep reading and ethical dilemmas. The next 5 years, Mintz says, must be a period of total reinvention. The choice is now. Rebuild around what machines can't replicate, or become obsolete. The AI revolution isn't just devouring GPUs and electricity anymore, it's now consuming the memory industry at an alarming rate. Prices for crucial memory chips like DRAM have skyrocketed, with some components jumping from $100 to over $250 in just months. The problem is that both consumer devices and powerful AI servers need memory, but they use different types. Suppliers are prioritizing high-bandwidth memory for data centers because the profit margins are a lot higher. This is creating a severe shortage for the broader market, and the price impact is already hitting everything from smartphones to cars and medical equipment. With only a few major memory manufacturers in the world, the incredible demand is overwhelming the entire supply chain. The AI boom is no longer just a story of processing power, it's now creating a critical memory crunch that is reshaping the tech landscape and hitting your wallet. Wikipedia is making a direct appeal to AI giants. In a new blog post, the Wikimedia Foundation called on AI developers to use Wikipedia's content responsibly, with proper credit and through its paid enterprise platform. By encouraging AI companies to pay for content access, Wikipedia hopes to secure financial support and maintain the site's valuable community-driven content. The foundation plans to use AI tools to assist editors with tedious tasks, enhancing their workflow rather than replacing them. Wikipedia reveals a worrying trend. Human page views are down 8%, while AI bots scraping the site are on the rise. Wikimedia is not threatening legal action, but has recently updated its bot detection systems to identify and block scrapers. Will tech giants play fair, or will this escalate into Internet's next major legal battle? We're witnessing a dramatic shift in how the Internet makes money. For decades, websites earned revenue through human visitors viewing ads and buying products. But AI crawlers scrape content without generating any revenue for creators, fundamentally breaking their business model. Since July, Cloudflare, a large provider of security and performance for the web, blocks by default all AI bots to force companies to pay for access to websites' content. They've blocked a staggering 416 billion AI bot scraping attempts in just 5 months. However, there's one critical problem. Google merged its search crawler with its AI crawler, creating a dilemma. Website owners must either allow Google's AI scraping or disappear from search results entirely. Cloudflare CEO calls this monopoly abuse, leveraging yesterday's dominance to control tomorrow's AI market. The entire online ecosystem is shifting for content creators, AI companies, and internet providers. The current internet's business model is crumbling, and nobody knows what comes next.